Okay, I won't put my camera on because I've taken a fall down the stairs and I've broken my back and my arm, so I'm in a horrible back brace and a sling at the moment. So you'll have to visualize me in your mind instead.
Right.
It's not a pretty sight at the moment. So
Always a
okay, so
quality soul that's speaking.
okay, so I just personally wanted to thank you, Debalina, and also to Sam for allowing me to retake the course with you. I took this 8 years ago in Malta with Andrea Domyan, who is also a fantastic leader and instructor. I've gone through kind of like a spiritual awakening in the recent years, and I moved between country to country, between the UK and the USA. This course, the last couple of weeks with you guys has just brought clarity to my beliefs, and the power of the Silva Method. I feel more and more compelled to move forward with it, and I feel my purpose is to help others and to teach others the benefits from doing this. And yeah, I just feel really compelled that I needed to retake this course again. I was a little bit apprehensive that I wouldn't remember a lot of it. I've continued over the last 8 years doing lots of meditations daily, using the three finger technique, using the mirror of the mind. But there was a lot of the other techniques which I'd kind of forgotten about, which I'm now going to, demonstrate and improve more on. And if possible, if we could arrange maybe a one-to-one call, I would love to be an instructor between the UK and the USA. I feel really compelled to to
Sure,
to
sure, sure.
to
I'll,
move
I'll
forward with
guide you.
this.
I'll guide you. The process, the steps for that.
Perfect. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.